Hi friends, it's me Anil Avula. Are you guys getting any passive income? If not, this is the right time. Please make sure you're getting a passive income either by investing in stocks, real estate, mutual funds, gold, or bonds, or either joining in any affiliation programs if you already have a blogs or in YouTube where you have a lots of followers and subscribers. The income which I am getting is more from passive income rather than active income. Passive income is where that gives us more happiness and that leads our life to be a more successful in future rather than our active income. Please make sure you focus on the passive income. Please make sure you take the right steps at the right point where to invest and when to invest and what to invest. If not, please put a comment so that I can guide you exactly where to invest, when to invest to gain more profits. Thank you very much for watching this. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.